living right here and now, and I don't wanna miss out. Is this what life's all about? The world is calling and I'm listening. Yeah, I'm listening. I feel the freedom inside. Come on, let's go for a ride. I finally opened my eyes and I can see it so clearly. So clearly. Life.
How do you feel about this program? Is it benefiting both sides?
Yes, good question. I think if we have a collaboration together between Banting Polytechnic and Tharn Technology, both are the technology college. I think it's a very useful, very benefit with both sides. Politeknik Banting can have a benefit. Also, Tharn Technology also have a benefit. Make is both college is more closer, and the most important is close for the relationship between two countries.
Juga Malaysia.
May I know what's your name?
I'm Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben. Are the teachers and the students of Politeknik Banting helpful?
Oh, so good. I made a new friend in Malaysia. Traveling around KL is so happy.
We made it there together. We'll remember forever that life is.
How do you feel during staying in Politeknik Banting Selangor?
I feel that accommodation is really good, tidy and not dirty, quiet. I like it here. The course in here has added some more in-depth content.
Why do you choose Politeknik Banting Selangor to send your student for studying or attending certain aircraft maintenance course here?
Yes. Aircraft maintenance from Banting Polytechnic, well known, famous one. I heard that the famous of Banting Polytechnic from my friend. He taught aircraft maintenance from Tharn Technical College. This is a government college. And then when I heard, in my mind, I think Tharn Technical College should have more collaboration with Banting Polytechnic, because if the Thai student can study here, that means that can take more knowledge in aircraft maintenance, and also can study and can have experience in culture, exchange culture. If they study in Thailand, they don't know about the culture in Malaysia or another country. If they come here, they can learn about the high technology, they can learn culture, they have more friends, like a foreigner friend.
1, 2, 3, Chai!